back, my little friends. Today we will learn about different types of vegetables.
Tomato. I'm juicy red, a tomato am I. In soups, in salads, give me a try.
Potato. Mashed or fried, I'm cozy and round, golden brown and great all around.
Hello, I'm a carrot so bright. Orange and crunchy, I'm quite the delight.
Cool as can be, green and long, munch me fresh, I'll make you strong. I'm cucumber.
Ginger. Spicy and warm, I zing and I pop, I add some kick, I never stop.
Hello. I'm spinach, leafy and green, packed with might, eat me up, you'll feel just right.
Okra. Long and green, I'm slimy yet fun. Cook me in stew, I'm second to none.
Onion. Layers of flavour, round and sweet. Peel an onion for a tasty treat. Cabbage. I'm cabbage, round and green, with crunchy leaves you've ever seen. Bottle gourd. I'm long and green, mild and neat. Cook me soft for a healthy treat.
Eggplant. I'm plump and purple. I shine like a star. Bake me, grill me, wherever you are.
Bell pepper. Red, yellow, green, I'm sweet and crisp, add me to dishes for a flavor twist. Cauliflower. White and fluffy like a snowy tree, cook me in dishes, I'm healthy and free. Turnip. White and purple, I'm round and sweet, roast me, mash me, I'm quite the treat.
Chili. I'm tiny and hot, red, green and bright. A little chili brings flavor and spice.
Garlic. I'm strong and bold with flavor to share. I make dishes tasty, I'm beyond compare. Corn. I'm yellow and sweet. In rows I grow. Pop me, roast me, I'm the star of the show.
Green and tree-like, I stand so tall, full of vitamins for one and all.
We're the peas, green and round. Pop us out, we bounce and bound.
Zucchini. I'm tender and green, I grow with ease. Slice me, dice me, I aim to please.
Pumpkin. Big and round, I'm orange delight. Bake me in pies, oh what a sight.
Brussels sprout. I'm small and green, a mini delight. Roast me up, I'm tasty and bright. Celery. Green and tall with a crunchy snap, dip me in sauce for a healthy snack.
Green beans. Green and lean, crunchy to munch, full of vitamins in every bunch.
Purple and red. I'm tasty and neat, full of sweetness from my head to my feet.
Radish. I'm spicy and pink, with leaves so green, eat me fresh. I'm crisp and keen.
Sweet potato. Orange inside, I'm sweet and soft, roast me up, you'll never get enough. asparagus. I'm slim and green, so fresh and neat, a springtime treat, crunchy to eat. Drumstick. I'm long and green, packed with power, a tasty treat from tree to flower.
Remember, my dear friends, all these vegetables are very important to keep our body healthy and strong. These are all for today. See you soon. Bye.